Morning, Phil. Morning, Phil. Do you want to chat about the cereal offering? How'd you guess? This is a big day for us. Chapter 2.
And offering number 2.
The cereal offering is also called a grain offering or a meal offering. And it's not too different from the burnt offering. It's still called a food offering. And it's still burnt up? Yep, but there's no meat. It's just fine flour or semolina. Or cereal, with oil poured on top. And frankincense sprinkled on top too. It's such an ancient practice. I totally can't relate. And then it's burned on the altar as a pleasing aroma to the Lord. Well, that step is different. I mean, it does smell good.